So what happens next on this machine, you might ask? I just uploaded the video with the valve bank on it, and here we are. But what happens next when you get that much crap in it? It's called contaminated oil. So that hydraulic oil tank up there on top will get fully drained. Filters or not, that stuff was came back, we figured, because he had a cylinder problem about a month ago and on the head, and somehow it gets back. Everything goes to and fro the valve and then back into the hydraulic tank. So not only is T-Roy cleaning up the valve bank, we're going to end up, I have a filter caddy here somewhere where we filter the oil. We'll drain it into a barrel, process the oil, change the filter, run it, do it again, try to flush everything through the system and get it back to the oil tank and get it back to clean and keep flushing it. It's called a catastrophic failure when you get the whole system contaminated. So it's a pain in the ass, really. You got to spend a lot of time. You spend a lot of time and money on oil to flush the whole system. And that's just the way it is. There's no way around it. You can't have your, you can't have it not working, and you can't have that system not pristinely clean, or at least get it to the best of your ability. So for all of those that don't know when this happens, who watch my stuff, when we get to that point, that's what we have to do. So that's what we will be doing. We'll be draining that oil and we'll be filtering it. We have a portable cart that we filter the oil with. Even if it's just from one barrel to another, and then we'll filter it when it goes back in again, and then just process the whole machine the best we can. So, all right, that's the explanation of catastrophic failure on a piece of hydraulics.